So this is what I've been doing every single day. Today is January 30th, 2018. As you can see, the duckies, it snowed, it just snowed. Nice little snowfall and flurries flying around. But yeah, this is what I've been doing. So just to keep you guys updated on what really I've been doing on my channel. I'm getting a new phone soon, so I'll be uploading, you know, better quality videos. But I don't want that to be an excuse for why I'm not making videos. That's a whole nother video of why I haven't been making videos. It's just really to give you the overall, like, why. Because I just want to enjoy myself. I'm a junior in high school. It's my last time being a junior in high school. Why wait to your senior year to enjoy yourself in high school, you know? I'll be vlogging in school a little bit, but I just really wanted to be enjoying raising my ducks, living my life. I am moving soon, so I'm enjoying myself. Also, in the house that I'm in and in the environment that I'm in. Even though it's not that enjoyable, I'm still trying to enjoy myself. But there is much more to come, much more animals that you'll see on this channel coming to my channel because I'm moving. Big backyard, big front yard, and yeah, we actually just bought a truck to move stuff, a little pickup truck. So, but whatever, that's just really what's been going on in my life. You know, I've just been enjoying myself, not just because I'm alive, but because you are alive. Enjoy yourself because you are alive right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. Chris Pretty is posting more videos now, so that is just inspiring me to go out, make my own, and post my own videos. Because, why not? Joe L'Ariel Vlog Season 2 coming back, baby! I'll see you guys later. Peace. Thanks, bye. Now they're on, like, common ground, so they shouldn't be territorial. Hey, Beardy! Oh, shit.
Why am I out here?
What do you think of the garden, Jess?
Awesome.
It's great, right? Hey! Yes, boy, yes, boy, yes, boy, yes, boy. Look, boy. Boys, go in. It's raining, it's storming, it's nasty. Come on, go! Get in, go! Come on.
Tomatoes, 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 tomatoes.
You want a joint, boy? Hey, what the f?
Yes!
Yeah!
Oh
It's a video.
I know.
Hi, Billy. Hey, Joe. Oh my god! Yo! What is it, Ken? What is it? What is it? Do a panna.
On that side of the wall, the 50-yard line, we have a system called sub-air. Sub-air is the vacuum. We can help that and then we can blow air up into the field. So we can the concert.
From the bottom up?
Yep. It goes through the drain lines.
Oh, wow.
Alright, bro. Hey. Yeah. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Yeah, that's great.
We must never come to resemble man in any way.
If there are no humans, who will harsh my name?
Oh, no.
It seemed quite unchanged since the rebellion. He did his
Oh shit, I just fell. Oh my god. Come on, boys, what are you doing?
I was uploading a video.
Yeah, thanks for the retweet, Billy and Sean. Morning, Mr. Casella. So we in landscaping class. Mr. Casella right there. Y'all know what's up.
Even if you threw your cell phone away, you probably have been detected 15 times already today on the way to school, wherever you've been, because of cameras, whether it's traffic cameras or buildings or stuff like that. You know, it's amazing. So
To Joe's vlog.
I don't even know if I'm gonna use this, bro. I'm just interested in these flowers here. Let's look this up.
Okay, so you take out the 8 ore and for your 2 items.
What's up, Noah? Last gym class, bro. Nate, say what up to the vlog.
Hello.
Nate, seriously, say what's up to my vlog. You're gonna be on YouTube, bro.
Oh, wow.
What do you want to
Hello.
say? Like, this is the real deal. This isn't no Snapchat or Instagram.
Oh snap, really on the vlog?
Yeah, you want to be on the vlog? I'm gonna upload this today.
Alright, bye Joe.
See ya.
I thought you had a proper vlog camera. You record on your phone, maybe?
Yes, this is my camera. Yeah.
Ah, I see.
What you doing, bro? Hey, all these girls like that. The fuck? What's up, Ron?
not much, so.
Chris, Julio, and this kid. Oh, going backwards or something? Oh, shoot. Yo, Chris. That's way off. Oh, that was close.
I'm paying.
Ah, to the vlog. It's for the vlog. Yeah. Yo, bro, I'm vlogging right now, bro. Vlogging? What's up? Yeah, it's coming back, bro. It's coming uploading today.
Bro?
Yeah. Hey. Say what's up.
What's up, bro?
How's Deptford? How's your day
going
today?
Good so far. I mean,
Half day?
Right.
Half day today.
Half day. You already know. Follow me on Instagram.
Are you guys taking a video?
Yeah, vlogging.
All right, bro.
All right, see you, dude.
See you later.
See you. Yeah, bro. Yo, wanna see what's up with my vlog, bro?
Yeah, what's up, yeah?
I'm bringing the vlogs back.
Alright, yeah, that's actually cool shit.
Hey. Last study hall. Everybody in here? What's up, y'all?
He is the best player that's ever put on the Lakers jersey.
Please stop. I'm going to murder you.
Best player
And
ever
Violet?
put on the Lakers jersey.
Hey, you're John. He be vlogging and stuff
Bro,
too,
I'm
so.
guessing-
Right, Billy? Hey.
Right.
Walking with Nate. Going on the, trying to find our bus. We can't find it.
Oh, it's hot as fuck outside.
Yeah, it is pretty hot.